I teach addiction studies at Cal State Channel Islands, but I'm also a clinician. I've been in private practice for over 25 years. And for the first time in my practice, I'm seeing little kids, 7 years old, having panic symptoms.
Oh, no.
And I believe that it's the autonomic over-arousal from being on their screens and playing games, and the excitement of it puts them in kind of a mental brownout state where they don't have a lot of coping resources left over.
Through this new way of learning.
With some districts going all virtual, students from elementary to high school will be staring at screens all day.
I love focusing on prevention rather than just treatment.
Clinical psychologist Dr. Tracy Bennett founded the website GetKidsInternetSafe, launched in 2014. Well before the pandemic, Dr. Bennett says the need to educate parents and hold kids accountable online has never been more important.
Yeah, and we were just talking about the sort of neurological and brain chemistry aspects of what happens here. What's the correlation between social media and depression?
You know, we don't know exactly which piece of depression screen time contributes to, but we do know that mood disorders and anxiety disorders are up.
But now predators can get a hold of kids and groom them day after day, month after month before their parents can figure it out.
And then at some point, once they're groomed, then a teen might go somewhere to meet this person, and then that's when things are at the worst level for kids.
Anxiety and mood disorders among kids and teens have skyrocketed, and I believe overall child resilience has also declined. In response, I've altered my approach to psychotherapy and developed innovative parenting strategies to address screen issues. Parents winging it with screen media is too risky. Although kids insist they're experts in the digital realm and parents are too often willing to look the other way, access to unfiltered, unmonitored internet without a fun, informed, and nurturing parent-child alliance will have real consequences sooner or later, even in the healthiest of families.